Online, I've seen these methods for restoring a non-stick pan. We'll try them and see if they work. No matter how hard you scrub or clean this, it doesn't come clean. To super clean the pan, put a cup of water in, 2 tablespoons baking soda, ½ cup vinegar, heat everything up. Let it really rumble. Turn it off and let it cool. I'll transfer the solution to this other pan. Clean the pan with soap and water. You can see this pan's a lot cleaner. We'll re-season this one up. Now that the pores are open, we'll put in some coconut oil. Let it soak in, then wipe it out. We'll cook an egg to see the difference. Let it cook on one side and then see how it moves. Here's the moment of truth. We'll give it a spin, and it does not move. I'll try hitting it with a spatula. Kind of moves a little bit, but it is definitely not like it was when it was new. This is encouraging. I'm starting to get underneath it. That's nice. There is an improvement. It's just not as good as I was hoping. I'm carefully working around the entire egg, but there's still some spots that are stuck. When the pan was new, it wouldn't stick at all. The egg would just slide around. You can see here it's sticking a bit, but a big improvement. I was just hoping it would restore it back to where it was when it was new. If you're watching this and you have a method that actually does work, please leave it in the comments down below.